G'day everyone. I finally finished my 12mm cork top that I got the idea from Nick. It's the best thing that I've ever done, and Nick very generously sent me these over 1/2 inch aluminium pins, and finally I've been able to run accessories. You know the plastic ones that most people usually use for corkboard, compared to these ones that are long, well, they're just not in the race. Now I've set up the Jensen 75 with this Fairground and my homemade transmission. I'm going to give it a run. The boiler's up. Yep, it's a bit too fast. Don't want to scare the kids. Slow it down a bit. Okay, that's good. I wasn't sure if the 75 was going to have enough power. Going through my homemade transmission. Step up a bit. Slow it down a little touch. A bit too much. There we go. That corkboard is fantastic for running accessories. That Jensen is definitely working hard, but it's doing it. Well, it's run out of steam, I'd say. Let that come up a bit. I might be able to get one more running. So if you're into running accessories, get some cork. I use cork tiles. I know Nick and other guys have used spar mats, but I found the cork tiles from the hardware shop cheap and easy, and I just use wood glue to stick them together. You get 12mm thick. Sand it back and oil the top. Okay, hopefully this has got steam up again. Yep. So the little Jensen's running it right. It's just going through that steam fast. So there we have it. Jensen 75 running 2 Fairground accessories through my homemade transmission. Just about to run out again, the steam. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching that, and as always, thanks for watching.